Hey guys, and welcome back to the tutorial millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can edit your profile and Bitmoji and Snapchat. So to go to your profile, go to the top left corner, the one that has your Bitmoji in it, and you can change your name by just pressing this, just your name. And for instance, I'm going to change it to my nickname and just save that. And to edit your Bitmoji, I'm just going to put this down, and as you can see, there's change outfit, pose and background, change selfie, and edit avatar. So if you want to edit your Bitmoji, just press the edit avatar one, and you can change the hairstyle. I like my current one that I had. If I could just find it. Oh my gosh, it was right here. I am so sorry. And then you can change other features, of course, but I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm just going to press save. I can also change the outfit. Go to change outfit, and you know, there's a lot to choose from. Oh, this does not go well with that dress. I don't know why. Oh, it's because I picked on coat, I think. Let's go to dresses, and you can also, you know, choose from that. You know, there's just a lot of options to choose from. I'm not going to go through that one by one, and I'm just going to pick this one that I really like, and I am now just going to press the save button, so the top right corner, and I can also change the pose and background. So click on pose and background, and I am going to find a background that matches me, I guess. I don't know, matches my Bitmoji, and I really like this one. I think goes well with the outfit. And if I go to poses, I'm going to change it, of course, because this one I look too happy and I am unhappy. Just kidding. Oh, this is very cute, but I like this one too. Very mischievous. Too excited, and I think I like this one, and I'm just going to press the save button right here, and I can also change my selfie. So go to change selfie, and this is for your Bitmoji profile picture. There's a lot of options to choose from. Oh my gosh, what is that? I think I want to choose, which one is it? This one, because it's grumpy like me. Then I'm just going to press done and press the X one, and as you can see, my profile right here next to the Nina name is the one that I've changed. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!